Linus Carl Pauling provided unifying molecular view of the world. Linus Carl Pauling gave the properties of vitamin C. Organ transplant was first major landmark in medical history. Living organisms require 27 elements, of which 15 are metals. Among 15 metals, potassium, sodium, magnesium, and calcium are required in major quantities. Carotene is a vitamin. Pepsin is an enzyme. Keratin is a protein. Essential amino acid cannot be synthesized in human body. Glycine, serine, and trypsin is not compulsory in human diet. Diphtheria, pneumonia, and leprosy are caused by bacteria. Color blindness, hemophilia, and sickle cell anemia are hereditary diseases. Rifampicin is an antimicrobial drug for treatment of tuberculosis and leprosy. Cancer begins as a single cell and grows into a merciless disease. Xerophthalmia is caused due to vitamin A deficiency. Scurvy is caused by vitamin C deficiency. MRI is used to obtain images of body parts by using magnetic field. Cobalt 60 is used in treatment of blood cancer. Indian Veterinary Research Institute is located in Bareilly. Wheat germ oil is an important source of vitamin E. Carbon isotope is used in calculation of age of Earth. Iodine is used in the treatment of goiter. Down's syndrome is caused due to trisomy of 21st chromosome. HIV mainly infects cytotoxic T lymphocytes. Long-sightedness or hypermetropia is when distant objects are seen clearly but near objects appear blurry. Hypermetropia or long-sightedness is corrected by using convex lens. Zika virus is isolated from a monkey in Zika forest of Uganda. Zika virus is transmitted by daytime active Aedes mosquito. Zika virus causes mother to child infection. Zika virus leads to abnormal brain development of fetus. Vaccination is injecting body with material that stimulate the body to produce antibodies. Leukemia is also called blood cancer. Leukemia is abnormal increase in number of WBC. Leukemia happens in bone marrow. Bulimia disease. In bulimia disease, a man does not know when to stop eating. No blood clotting due to deficiency of vitamin K. Typhoid, cholera, and hepatitis A are waterborne disease. Malaria infects RBCs. Filaria damages lymph node. Filaria damages lymph node. Encephalitis is inflammation of brain. Vitamin D is obtained from sun rays. Malaria is grouped under. Malaria is caused due to protozoa. Poliomyelitis is caused due to virus. Tuberculosis is caused due to bacteria. Ringworm is caused due to fungi. Mission Indradhanush is related to immunization of children and pregnant women. Viruses can infect bacteria, fungi, and plants. Dentists use concave mirror to see teeth. Altitude sickness is caused at high altitude due to low partial pressure of oxygen. Fresh vegetables are good source of vitamin E. Vitamin K is essential for coagulation of blood. Deficiency of fluoride causes tooth caries. Excess of fluoride causes mottling of teeth. HIV virus weakens immunity by destroying lymphocytes. Deficiency of vitamin D causes bleeding of gums, falling of teeth, fragile bones, and delayed wound healing. Kwashiorkor disease in children is due to deficiency of protein. Most viruses that infect plants possess single-stranded RNA. In human body, cell growth and differentiation are highly controlled and regulated, but in cancer cells, there is breakdown of these regulatory mechanisms, leading to formation of benign and malignant tumors. Typhoid fever is caused due to bacteria. Presbyopia is a refractive defect of vision due to gradual weakening of ciliary muscles. Presbyopia is a refractive defect of vision due to diminishing flexibility of eye lens. Caffeine, a constituent of tea and coffee, is diuretic. Ascorbic acid is essential for formation of bones and teeth. Citric acid cannot substitute ascorbic acid in our diet. Penicillin is obtained from fungus. Tetracycline is obtained from bacteria. Cholera is caused due to bacteria. Measles is caused due to virus. Hepatitis is caused due to virus. National Institute of Nutrition is located in Hyderabad. Insect-borne diseases. Examples are Kala Azar, malaria and plague. Retinol is found in vitamin A. Most concentrated energy source is fats. Soya bean is the richest source of protein. Vaccination against malaria is not available. Vitamin C is found in orange. Vitamin D is found in cod liver oil. Vitamin K is found in alfalfa. Vitamin B6 is found in rice bran. Chloramphenicol is an antibiotic drug. Vitamin B9 is also called folic acid. Vitamin A is stored in liver. Night blindness is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A. Tetanus disease is caused through wound or injury or unsterilized surgical instruments. Syphilis cannot be prevented by vaccination. Rickets is caused due to deficiency of vitamin D. Deficiency of vitamin D leads to increased loss of Ca2 plus ion in urine. Citric acid cannot be used as a substitute of acetic acid in soft drink. Dengue is known as breakbone fever. Hepatitis B is easily transmitted through sex. Scurvy is not transmitted through sex. Doctor gives iron and folic acid tablets to anemia patient. Dropsy is a disease caused due to adulteration in mustard oil. Vitamin A is needed for synthesis of eye pigment. Vitamin B12 helps in maturation of RBCs. Vitamin C is essential to make connective tissue in body. Vitamin D is required to make use of calcium absorbed from intestine. Dermatitis is caused by contact with nickel. Edward Jenner introduced the concept of immunization. Ronald Ross discovered malaria is caused by a particular mosquito. Bird flu spreads through poultry. Kala azar is caused due to protozoa. Influenza is caused due to virus. Vitamin C is water soluble and excreted in urine. Hypertension can be treated with amlodipine. Islets of Langerhans controls blood sugar level. Wounds of face bleed profusely because of its rich vascularity. Nosocomial infection is hospital acquired infection. National Institute of Immunology is situated in New Delhi. National Center for Cell Science is located in Hyderabad. Center for DNA Fingerprinting is located in Pune. National Brain Research Center is in Manesar. BCG vaccine is for tuberculosis. 5% of alcohol in human blood causes death. Siderosis is caused by inhalation of iron dust. Pumpkin is a good source of vitamin A. Brinjal is a good source of fiber, potassium, and magnesium. In water treatment plant, use of chloramines ensures disinfection. HIV mainly attacks immunity power. Ebola is a viral disease in West Africa. Tuberculosis is also called white plague. Tuberculosis is also called white plague. Cholera disease is caused due to Vibrio cholerae, which is a bacteria. Influenza is caused by myxovirus. Tuberculosis is caused due to Mycobacterium. Typhoid is caused due to Salmonella. Weakening of bones is due to deficiency of calcium and phosphorus. Outer coating of capsule is made up of starch. Glucose provide instant energy. Enzymes are mainly protein. Iron deficiency causes microcytic anemia. Vitamin B12 deficiency causes pernicious anemia. ECG full form is electrocardiogram. ECG detect changes in electrical impulses in the heart during its contraction and relaxation. Vitamin B complex is present in yeast. Milk is poor in vitamin C. EEG is related with brain. EOG is related with eye. ECG is related with heart. And EMG is related with muscles. Oxidation in our body cell releases dangerous free radicals. Antioxidants from fresh fruits and vegetables neutralize the free radicals produced in the body. Trans fats are made when liquid oils are turned into solid fats called partially hydrogenated oils. Fructose is the sweetest sugar. Legumes are rich in protein. To correct myopia, concave lens is used. Eye lens in myopia focuses the parallel rays coming from distant in front of retina. Minamata disease is a nervous disorder caused by eating fish polluted with mercury. Polio vaccine was invented by Salk and Sabine. Malfunctioning of thyroid gland is due to deficiency of iodine. Tranquilizer is used for treating anxiety. Nobel Prize for treatment of Parkinson's disease was given to Laughlin. Small pouch of silica gel is kept in bottles containing tablets to absorb moisture. Sources of lead poisoning are smelting units, pens and pencils, paints, hair oils and cosmetics. Protein and energy malnutrition causes marasmus disease. Female Culex mosquito is a vector of filariasis. Precursor of vitamin A comes from beta carotene. Oncogenes are associated with cancer. Ionized radiation can cause cancer as well as cure it depending upon its intensity and use. Typhoid and cholera are infectious disease. Typhoid and cholera are infectious disease. Calcium is needed for muscle contraction, blood clotting, and development of bones. Carrot is rich in vitamin A. ELISA test is used to detect AIDS. Apple is rich in iron. Sleeping sickness is a parasitic disease. Sleeping sickness is caused by trypanosoma. Most injurious growing popula- Most injurious drug to growing population of India is tobacco. Neem oil is used as a pesticide to control the proliferation of insects and mites. Neem oil is used in pharmaceutical industry. Neem seeds are used in manufacture of biofuels and hospital detergents. Marine sources are useful for finding anti-tumor agents such as bryostatins and dolostatins. Typhoid will spread if wastewater contaminate the source of drinking water. Chemotherapy is used in the treatment of cancer. Interferons are protein released by animal cells in response to entry of a virus. Immunization technique was discovered by Edward Jenner. Tuberculosis can spread in humans through air. Vaccination word is derived from a Latin word which relates to cow. Smallpox has been eradicated. Malaria, cholera, and smallpox are epidemic diseases. Multi-drug resistance in microbial pathogens is due to genetic predisposition of some people and taking incorrect doses of antibiotics. Hepatitis B virus is transmitted much like HIV. Globally, number of people infected with hepatitis B and C are several times more than infected with HIV. Some of those infected with hepatitis B and C viruses do not show symptoms for many years. Hepatitis B vaccine is available for all age group. Hepatitis vaccine Hep- Vaccine for hepatitis C is not available. Use of polished rice causes beriberi. Most of vitamins are not synthesized in our body. Influenza means evil influence of the stars. Rubella is caused by virus. Vitamin D deficiency of vitamin D causes osteoporosis in which bones become weak. Measles is a communicable disease. Rotavirus vaccine is used to prevent diarrhea. Anthrax is caused by bacteria. BMI is used to measure obesity. Vaccination is to disease as maintenance is to paint. Andrology is the study of diseases and conditions specific to male reproductive organ. Cholera causes gastrointestinal infection. Bifocal lens is used for correcting presbyopia. National Viral Hepatitis Control Program NVHCP is a country-wide elimination of hepatitis C by 2030. Hypokalemia is caused by deficiency of potassium in blood. Anthrax is caused by bacteria. Rotavirus vaccine is used to prevent diarrhea. Low amount of potassium in blood causes hypokalemia. Problem in blood clotting is called hemophilia. Increased red blood cell means erythrocytosis or polycythemia. Reduced red blood cell means erythrocytopenia. Reduced white blood cell means leukopenia or leukocytopenia. Reduced platelets means thrombocytopenia. Reduced hemoglobin means anemia or thalassemia. Fleming's right hand rule is in Fleming's right hand rule is used in electric generators. Fleming's right hand rule is used to determine direction of induced current. Thumb represents direction of motion of conductor. Forefinger represents magnetic field and middle finger represents induced current. Fleming's left hand rule is used in electric motor. Fleming's left hand rule is used to determine the direction of force on current carrying conductor placed in magnetic field. Thumb Thumb gives the direction of force on conductor. Forefinger gives the magnetic field. Middle finger gives the direction of electric current. Ribosome is called the protein factory of cell. Ribosome is the only cell organelle involved in synthesis of protein. Surti, Murrah, Mehsana, and Bhadavari are buffalo breeds. Surti, Murrah, Mehsana, and Bhadavari are buffalo breeds. There are two types of plant tissues: permanent tissue and meristematic tissue. There are three types of meristematic tissue: apical meristem, intercalary meristem, and lateral meristem. There are two types of permanent tissue: simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. There are three types of simple permanent tissue: parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. There are two types of complex permanent tissue: phloem and xylem. There are four types of phloem tissue: sieve tube, companion cells, phloem parenchyma, and phloem fibers. Sieve tube, companion cells, and phloem parenchyma are all living except phloem fibers, which is dead. Xylem tissue is of four types: tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma, and xylem fiber. Tracheids, vessels, and xylem fibers are all dead, but xylem parenchyma is only living. फाइबर इसमें बटेट है, इसमें बटेट है, पैरेन्काइमा दोनों में बटेट है, पैरेन्काइमा दोनों में लिविंग है, और फाइबर दोनों में फाइबर दोनों में डेड है, पैरेन्काइमा दोनों में लिविंग है, फाइबर दोनों में डेड है, सेफ ट्यूब लिविंग है, ट्राइकेड वेसल्स डेड है, पैरेन्काइमा दोनों में लिविंग है, फाइबर्स दोनों में डेड है. आँखों ही आँखों में Survey of India, which was established in the year 1767, is the oldest department of Government of India. Sacred language of Theravada Buddhism is Pali. Theravada Buddhism is practiced in Thailand, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Cambodia, and Laos. Skateboarding is played in Summer Olympics. Indian hockey team won gold medal in Olympics from 1928 to 1956. Indus River is also known as Singhi Khambal which means lion's mouth in Tibet. Judo originated from Japanese Jiu-Jitsu. Oak tree and chestnut tree are evergreen, wide leafy trees. Number of styles of wrestling in Olympics is 2. Founder of Ahmadiyya movement was Mirza Ghulam Ahmad. Halley Comet comes to Earth once every 76 years. National Sample Survey Office NSSO works under Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. जुड़ने के लिए धन्यवाद भाई। अभी के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं अगले सेशन में।